Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a brand new 2020 Arctic Fox, model number is a 990 truck camper. Come on inside. All right, so you walk in here, you got your bathroom, your wet bath right here on the left. Got a nice big tall ceiling for skylight for the big tall guys. So this is your slide out right here. So you've got the table makes into a bed, storage on both sides underneath. Your Norcold refrigerator and freezer here on this side. Nice little cabinet space there for spices and whatnot. So you got your big farm style stainless steel sink with a nice heavy duty cutting board actually. So here's all your control panels, fans, touchscreen. This is a solar on the top of the AC up there. It's a trickle soul charger. So cabinets there, nice, lots of storage there. You got your microwave with a stainless steel package, fan hood. You got your 3-burner Furrion with the glass oven right there. More storage here on both sides there for cans and storage there. So underneath the sink, you got a couple drawers right here too, right there. So this actually has this is a step going up into the camper, but this actually a little shelf right here inside the cabinet there is a table that extends over here, so it gives you more counter space. So up here you've pre-wired for your TV, storage in the front, USB ports, reading lights, AC, you got a fantastic fan, you got covers to protect you up there. Got a nice mattress here. Here's a box of goodies, but inside these closets right here, there's a little table right there. So nice skylight with a cover. We got the roof AC with LED lights above us. Good looking camper. So if you actually have a little shelf right here that pulls down too. So if you want to turn it into a little bunk, you can. But let's go outside here and finish up. You got the great big handle, grab handle. So the 990, this model comes with the generator actually, and it's pre-wired for a barbecue out the back. The big grab handle, got a ladder getting up on the back. It's pre-wired for backup camera. You got electric awning. You got the Fox landing. This folds up. So if you're going to pull a boat or something, but you got electric jacks that are remote control, heavy duty. I mean, this is the camper they advertised, 32 people sitting on the roof. Look at the bolts in there. I mean, this is solid. So in here is battery switch. You got the big propane tanks right there, dual propane tanks on this side. This is where your satellite, your cable for your power. Inside here, you goes your 2 batteries right there. Auxiliary shower, heater, but plug in here. When you're plugging in the truck, you got the rubber bumpers on the front, and like I said, this is a slide out that was inside you saw, but this has the swingway bracket, so if you do have a dually, you can put it under a dually. So hey, this is a good looking camper. If you're looking for campers, toy haulers, fifth wheels, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.